Hi! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add or edit an image in your K2 items. So all you need to do is you need to log into Joomla as usual and you'll be taken to your control panel and you just need to click on the items, the K2 items icon, which will bring up your list of website pages, your K2 items. And you just need to scroll through this and find the page that you want to add the image to. And if the page already has an image that you want to edit, then you just need to select that page so that it opens up the K2 edit item screen. So here you can add your image. So in this first example, I'm going to show you how to add an image to your page. So you need to place the cursor exactly where you'd like the image to sit on your page, and in this example I'm putting it directly kind of in the middle of the text. Once you've selected exactly where you'd like the image to sit on your page, you just need to click the image button at the bottom of the screen. Now this opens a pop-up box which gives you two options. So the first option is to select an image that already exists on your website. So these are all stored on the Joomla Media Manager, and you can just select one of the existing images, or if your image is a new one that doesn't exist already on the website, you can scroll down and select the Choose File button, and you can choose the image file from on your computer. So I've saved one to my desktop, and I'm just going to open it from there and click on this Start Upload button. Now the upload can take a few seconds or a couple of minutes depending on how big your image is, what the size is, but you'll know when it's been successful because it will say upload complete and you'll get this green message up in the top left hand corner. So that's been uploaded to the Media Manager now, and you'll see my image is there. So all I need to do now is click onto it. It will appear in this box here, the name of it, and then you just need to click Insert. Now as you can see, it's inserted my image, but it's inserted it in its original size, which is huge, and I don't want it to be that big on my website page. So I need to edit it. So to edit an image, you simply click onto it, it will highlight it, and then you just need to click on this icon here. It's the Insert Edit Image icon. So click onto that and it'll bring up this pop-up box. Now here you've got the dimensions which you can change, and that's the key thing that I'd quite like to change with this. You can keep it proportional, which is a good idea, so it doesn't stretch the image or anything like that. So I want it a little bit smaller. And it's automatically kept the height in proportion to the width of the image for me. You can align it, so you can set it in the center of the page or the left or the right. So I'm going to put it in the center. And you can also put a margin around the image, and you can keep these equal, top right, bottom left, or you can unselect that and have them differently. And this just keeps a little bit of space between the image and your text on your page. So you can experiment with what types of margin, what size works for your page. Once you're happy that you've done all the changes and it's going to look how you want it to look, you can click on this Update button at the bottom. Now it's reminding me here that I should name my image, which is it's a good practice thing to do. So I'm going to click on, are you sure you want to continue? No, I'm going to name it. So it's actually highlighted what it wants me to do here in red, alternate text. So for people with disabilities who might not be able to see the image too well, you can be clear about what it is and just name it. So when you hover over the image as a user, it will bring up the title of the image as well. So then I'm going to click Update, and that has worked. So it's now centered, it's the size that I want, it's where I want on the page. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to click Save and Close. And it will bring up the previous list that we saw of all your K2 items, your website pages. And that's the end of that tutorial. Thanks very much.